So let's review what we just did. So this is a pretty long command. So what we're using again is npx. Just use the policy li and then let it go. And we're going to use a second utility, which is the code generation. And then we're telling it to use it to take the local schema file that we generated on the previous step, which is our GraphQL schema JSON. We're telling it that we want TypeScript as an output. We're asking it to take a look at all the or include everything that is inside the queries folder and with the TypeScript, and to pay attention at the tag GQL, and then generating the type name and a global file that will contain the GraphQL global types. And then we're telling it to just provide the types folder as the output. Okay. And so what we'll see is that it basically loads the data and then it generates the TypeScript target. In this case, it wrote two files. So first of all, in the types folder, it basically has the GraphQL global types, which we might need to do something in the future. So far, we need to do absolutely nothing. But you will also see that inside the queries folder, right next to our query, it actually created a types folder, and then we have the all posts TypeScript. Okay. If we take a look at this one, what we will see is that we have generated these two different interfaces. One that gives us the all posts, and the other one that basically defines the content of that array, which is an array of blog posts. So it has the ID and the title. If we take a look at our file, the one that we originally created the query, the one that it's based from, you will see that it took our operation name in order to create the interfaces, basically. And then we have the content, the interfaces for that content as well, for that possible response. And you will see that it didn't bring back every single possible, or it didn't convert to TypeScript to the definition, every single possible combination, but it actually brought exactly what we expect or what we're going to be using based on our queries. So this is actually pretty useful.